Malmö is pretty cool. Look at this.
The Bosom Museum. Did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Did it look good?
No, it looks shit.
Yeah, that's fresh, isn't it? They must replace that.
So heading south, it's August in the Baltic and it's time for hats and scarves. Yeah, it's not really very warm today, but we are at the Øresund Bridge. Here it is. The Øresund Bridge links Denmark over there in the grey murk to Sweden over here, also in the grey murk, and we're just about to go under it. Da da da!